Ground beef. Nice. Meat spice. Italian herbs. Chicken spice. Mix everything together nicely. Mix it. Nice. We got two nice hamburger patties. Pour some olive oil on hot pan. Alright, pan is hot. Patties in. Gently. Okay, it's time to flip the patties. Nice. Now add the eggs. Beautiful. Add the cheese, Parmesan. Cover with lid, turn off the heat. Add ketchup on the buns. Add tomatoes. Nice, beautiful, tasty, steamy and delicious. Serve the egg first. Now hamburger on top. Cover with buns. Wow, look at these beautiful, tasty, steamy and delicious breakfast cheeseburger sliders. Let's try one. Yummy. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.